Okay, the first thing I want to talk about is our perception of coincidence. And there are many examples which point to the widespread flaw in our perception of the probability of coincidence. And probably the most commonly cited example is the birthday paradox. It might surprise you to know that if you have 23 people in a room randomly chosen, then the probability that at least 2 have the same birthday is more than 50%. If the number of people in the room is 30, that probability rises to 70%, and if the number is 60, then the probability is more than 90%. These probabilities you can calculate using basic probability theory, and you'll find probably a proof of this on Wikipedia. Part of our surprise here comes from our tendency to confuse the probability of a specific coincidence with the probability of just any coincidence. So if there are 23 randomly chosen people in a room, the chances that somebody's birthday will be exactly the same as mine are going to be much smaller than the probability that at least 2 of those people will have the same birthday. The probability that somebody's birthday will coincide with mine is going to be 1 minus the probability that everybody has a different birthday than me. And this is something we can calculate. Assuming these 23 people are randomly chosen, the probability that any particular one will have a birthday different than mine is 364 over 365. And the probability that all 23 of them will have a different birthday than mine is the probability of an intersection of 23 independent events, which I can calculate the probability of by raising that 364 over 365 to the power of 23. Now 1 minus that's approximately 0.06, which is an awful lot smaller than the probability that at least 2 of these people will have the same birthday, which we saw was more than 50%. Another set of coincidences which surprises people, if not give them chills, are the set of coincidences quoted between the lives of Abraham Lincoln and John F. Kennedy. And this set of coincidences, there are about 20. If you look them up on Wikipedia, some are coinciding dates for events in the political careers of both presidents. And some are coincidences for events in the lives of the presidents, or their family members, or even people associated with the presidents. After you get over the initial shock, if you look a little closer and think about it, there are thousands and thousands of facts on record about the lives of both of these presidents. And out of those thousands and thousands of facts about both, it's not really surprising that about 20 coincide. In fact, it's surprising that people can't come up with more than 20 such coincidences.